In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Snowflake to Power BI, an essential guide for anyone looking to seamlessly integrate their data sources for more robust analytics. So let's dive right in and walk you through the steps to establish this connection. To start off, you'll want to open Power BI. If you're not already familiar, Power BI is a powerful data visualization tool created by Microsoft, used to turn raw data into insightful visualizations and reports. Once you've launched Power BI, ensure you're on the Home tab. This is typically where you'll find all the basic options for importing data. When you're on the Home tab, look towards the top left corner of your screen, and you should see an option labeled Get Data. This is a crucial feature, as it forms the foundation for how you will pull different data sources into Power BI. Click on Get Data, and a drop-down will appear, showcasing some popular data sources. Since Snowflake isn't typically listed in this first set, you'll want to find and select More to explore additional options. The next step is identifying Snowflake in this extended list of data connectors. Now, one tip while you're here is to use the search bar at the top of this dialog box. Typing in Snowflake will directly bring up the correct data connector without having to manually scroll through numerous options. This search function is quite handy and saves you time, especially when dealing with extensive lists. Once you've located Snowflake in the list, go ahead and click on it. You'll notice a Connect button appearing once you select Snowflake, so go ahead and click that as well. At this point, Power BI will prompt you for connection details. It's essential to have your Snowflake account information on hand, including your server name, username, and password. These credentials will allow Power BI to open a line of communication with your Snowflake